Okay then, so I was going to do a quick video stripping these cooker doors down. So, try and get the hinges out, replace the glass and the handle. So basically, first of all, to take the glass out, go through these two screws. Oh, there's one missing off that side, so do this one first. Once that's off, that first layer of glass should just pull free. So obviously that glass is there. There's like a air gap insulation to make sure that this front one is colder than the back one inside the other one. So to change the handle, you've just got two screws, one there and one there, and then that screw. Then obviously the handle will just pull free from the other side. So really easy to change the handles on. To get these out, you usually got one screw here. That one's really tight. And usually one at the bottom, or in fact, it looks like you've got to take these off, so they will be glued on. If you have a look down the side, this front glass is glued on, so I'm not going to go any further with that because I haven't got any glue and I don't want to wreck this one because it's pretty decent anyway. But usually these have got another screw and they just pull free. Might be you have to whack them out, but at the minute I'm not going to go any further, so put it back together. So just put the screw back in here. Can't see any obvious way of getting them out. Oh, yeah, I can. There's another screw there at the side. So basically you're going to have to pull this off to get to that screw. And that means ungluing it, so I'm not going to do that. But that shows you how you do it. It's pretty easy, just two screws. So just fit the second glass in. And that is it really. Obviously gluing